Hey guys.
I'm Kayla Hendricks.
Alexis?
I am not Michaela Friend.
Yes, she is. Anyways, we're making like different weird noises. So Lexi, you go first. Me. I'll go first.
I'm going last.
I can't think of one. I already did my noise first.
Your turn. What is he about playing a platypus thing?
She eats her boogers.
Hey, you guys ready? Want to hear my horse noise? Want to hear my laugh? Michaela, make me laugh.
Said spit and slobber all come out of my mouth.
Shut your door, yo.
Why do you have your pants on?
She could have some lady old man boxers.
Shut your door.
Lexi, you're trying to make a noise.
I got a bunny. It hops.
Hey guys, let's do the ha Lego thing. Ready?
Okay.
Lego. It's not funny anymore.
Watch my head bounce.
Fist pump.
Beat up.
What noise should I make?
Look.
Wait. Do it now. Wait. Wait.
It's getting hot in here.
You have to put it on that.
It's like coming from my finger.
It's like go.
Go. Oh, wait.
That thing was going on.
Wait, Ellen. No.
Look, it's a real bunny.
Why do we find this stupid stuff?
Okay, back to our weird noises. Let me see what my nose looks like on the inside.
Wait.
You're about to...
Let me see.
That is Michaela's eye.
Oh snap! It's like a black hole, like Lucky's face. Ew!
He's looking at the screen, guys.
Let me try. Hey guys, here's my eye. Here's my nose.
He's picking your nose.
Here's my mouth.
Wait, let's compare mouths. Oh my god!
Oh, I just broke my jaw.
It's an emergency. Oh my god!
Guys, she broke her nose.
I just
I
broke
mean
my
her jaw.
Oh my god.
Let's zoom in on this. And she's still moving it, but she broke her jaw.
Look how long my tongue is.
Oh boy. Why is it upside down?
I don't know.
Oh.
Are you guys ready to watch this now?
Yeah.
Peace out, home slices.
Peace out, home.
Peace out, black and white chicks and black dudes and white dudes. Bye.